$10 for watching a video or participating in a survey? With InboxDollars, it's no joke. If you have 10 to 15 minutes to spare, you can already earn real money. InboxDollars is a platform where you get money for completing simple tasks: watching videos, participating in surveys, reading emails, shopping online, and even playing games. Companies pay for your time and opinion, and you earn money doing what you already do every day. Here's how it works. Sign up online or download the InboxDollars app. Do simple tasks. Watch videos, take surveys, or even just read emails. Get real money for each task. It's simple. Now, the most interesting thing, for one short survey, you will get $1 to $5. For watching videos, up to $2. If you give the application at least 20 to 30 minutes a day, you can earn $100 to $200 a month. Money is withdrawn directly to PayPal or exchanged for gift cards for Amazon and other stores. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.